Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Basecamp calendar event. And more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video. And that is, how do you add a Google Meet link into your Basecamp calendar event or meeting? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to add a Google Meet link into a Basecamp calendar event anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you're probably managing a lot of different projects and team members. And instead of sending out your Google Meet link to everybody in the meeting, you can actually just post it directly into your calendar event. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Basecamp dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Basecamp and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to add a Google Meet link into a calendar event, first, you have to find the project. So click right here on View All Project in a list. Once you do that, scroll through until you find the project you're going to add the Google Meet link to. So for example, this one right here. Once you do that, click on Schedule. Once you do that, go ahead and scroll down until you see the meeting or the event that you want to add a Google Meet link to. So for example, this one right here. Once you do that, you want to click on the Edit button here on the top right. Okay, once you do that, you want to look for this green button called Link. Okay, so then it opens up and you can go ahead and paste in your Google Meet link here. So I'm going to open up my Google Meet and then I'm going to click on New Meeting, create a meeting for later. All right, so here is my link. I'm going to copy it to my clipboard and I'll just come back over here to Basecamp, paste in my link, and then click on Update this event. So this is a recurring event, so I can go ahead and add that link into every event after that if I want. For me, I'm just going to add it to this one calendar meeting. Okay, a quick second later, the page refreshes. Now anybody who has access to that particular calendar event or my Basecamp project will be able to access my Google Meet link. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to add a Google Meet link into your Basecamp project calendar event, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.